Tired of subscriptions draining your wallet? Today, we're cutting the cord on HBO Max, showing you exactly how to cancel it directly from your iPhone in under 90 seconds. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone home screen. It's usually represented by a gray gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you find App Store and tap on that. This is where Apple manages all your app-related settings. At the very top, you'll see your Apple ID, it's usually your name and email address. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. A pop-up menu will appear. Select View Apple ID. You might be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Go ahead and verify that. On the Account Settings page, find and tap on Subscriptions. This is where you can manage all your active and expired subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. You should now see a list of your active subscriptions. Locate HBO Max in the list and tap on it. You'll now see the details of your HBO Max subscription at the bottom of the screen. You'll find a Cancel Subscription button. Tap on that. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel your HBO Max subscription. Confirm your cancellation by tapping on Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your HBO Max subscription through your iPhone. You'll still have access until the end of your current billing cycle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.